between Los Angeles and California, where the local time here is approximately 9:38 a.m. And we're still on Pacific Standard Time, but we have arrived approximately 20 minutes early. We'll be taxiing for a few more moments. We ask that for your continued safety, as well as the safety of those seated around you, that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened about you until the aircraft has been parked at the gate and Captain Covert does turn off the fasten seatbelt sign. It will take the customer service representative a few minutes to pull the jet bridge to the aircraft. This will allow you ample time to gather your belongings. At that time, please check all storage areas, the overhead compartments, and the seat back pockets for any cabin baggage that you have brought on board with you from San Francisco. Do use caution when opening overhead compartments, as the contents may have shifted during flight, as well as on landing here in Los Angeles. If you are making connections to other United Express, Star Alliance, or former Continental flights, we do ask that you please check the TV monitors located throughout the concourses. Your departure cities will be listed alphabetically. If you have already received your seat assignment, you need not check in with the agent here in Los Angeles, or proceed directly to your departing gate. For those customers continuing on Flight 31,